Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations. The combination of factorial 9 power x equals 5 double factorial. And we'll be trying to find the value of x here. But first thing, we have to understand the concept of factorial. Let's say we are given n factorial. So the n factorial here, as n is a positive integer, we are going to have this equals, so this is a recurrence, n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2. And this is how this continues like that. Irrespective of the value of n can be even number and n can be odd number. And for the case of double factorial, so there are two cases there that you have to consider if we are given double factorial. Let's say we are given odd. So for the case of odd number and n is a positive integer, if you have n factorial factorial, as far as we are given odd number, so we are going to be subtracting 2 from it. So this is n into bracket of, we are going to be subtracting 2, which is n minus 2, and here is n minus 4. And that's how it continues till it comes to the odd number, which is 3 multiplied by 1. And again, for the case of even, so if we have even number, we are going to consider this factorial, n factorial factorial equals, so similarly we keep subtracting. So we continue, we have n into bracket of n minus 2, n minus 4, so n minus 6, n minus 7, and that's how this one continue as well till we have 4 times 2. So 2 will be the last number here, which is even. Then, so from the given question, we have odd number, which is 5 factorial factorial. So we're applying the first formula. We have 5 factorial factorial. So this is going to be giving us 5 into bracket of 5 minus 2 into bracket of 5 minus 4. So we take the next step ahead of this, we are going to have 5 minus 6, and that gives us negative number. So which means we have to stop at 5 minus 4. And this is equals 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So the result of this gives us 15. So to avoid misconception of this factorial, if you have 5 factorial factorial, so some might be trying to interpret it as 5 factorial multiplied by another factorial outside. So this is very wrong. So there is a concept of multiple factorial like this, double factorial. So we can still have triple factorial as well. So 5 factorial factorial, this is not equals to this. So it's not equals to 5 factorial multiplied by 5 factorials. Because 5 factorial only, so from the concept of only 1 factorial, so we keep subtracting 1 from it. And for the double factorial, we keep subtracting 2. It depends on if the number is odd or the number of we are given is even number. Then we now come back to the given questions. We have 9 power of x. So this equals 5 factorial factorial now is given as 15. So therefore 9 power x equals 15. So to solve this, we introduce log on both sides. Here we have log 9 power x equals log 15. And by rule of logarithm, so here becomes x log 9 equals log 15. And by dividing both sides by log 9, we have our x here equals log 15 divided by log 9. So we know log is the short form of logarithm, and we have log 15 divided by log 9. So we cannot stop here. We have to break this thing into pieces. Yeah, let me just use pieces. So let's pieces this and see what will be the outcome of this. So here we have x equals log, so 15 here, we have to write it as 3 times 5 divided by, and log 9 here, we write it as 3 raised to the power of 2. Then we have x equals, here is product log, we have multiplication of 3 and 5, so which we can write it as, is the same thing as log 3 plus log 5 when we apply the rule of log, divided by, also we have 2 here, it becomes 2 log 3. And by dividing this, we have our x equals log 3 divided by 2 log 3 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 3. After having this, log 3 cancelled log 3, we therefore have x equals 1 over 2 plus, here is also 1 over 2 multiplied by log 5 divided by log 3. Well, if you have log 5 divided by log 3, we have to write it in this form. You can leave it like this, or we just write it in a short form as log 5 base 3. And then everything of this result into 1 plus log 5 base 3 all divided by 2. This is the answer to this problem as the value of x. But if we decide, we can just try and put this in a check. If this value we get satisfy this problem, it's just very simple. Just replace x with what we have here and we get the results in a very short form. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.